What if the secret to your company's future isn't in your marketing budget, but in a precisely carved piece of metal? In today's high-tech world, flat printed logos are starting to feel outdated. They're just pixels on a screen or ink on paper. But what if your brand could be felt, not just seen? This is the unseen power of CNC logos, and it's a branding advantage most businesses are completely ignoring. Let's start with a simple fact. The strongest brands don't just look premium, they're engineered that way. Think about the physical products you trust. They have weight, substance, and a feel of quality. That's exactly what a CNC-machined logo brings to your brand identity. When a potential client sees a logo carved from aluminum, steel, or wood with micron-level accuracy, it sends an immediate subconscious signal. This isn't a fleeting, digital, lonely company. This is a brand that invests in itself, that values precision, and that is built to last. The weight, the texture, and the cool touch of the material create an impression of trust and seriousness long before you even say a word. This goes beyond simple aesthetics. It's about reflecting your company's core values. A CNC logo is a direct reflection of an engineering culture. It says you care about the details, you believe in quality manufacturing, and you deliver on your promises with precision. That's why you see industrial brands and high-tech companies adopting this approach first. They understand that their branding needs to match the sophistication of their products. It's not just a graphic, it's a manufactured statement of credibility. Now, think about the long-term vision. A sticker peels, a print fades, but a CNC-machined logo endures. This durability isn't just practical, it's symbolic. It tells the world that your brand has a long-term vision, that you're not a temporary player. This contrasts sharply with the disposable nature of so much modern branding. A CNC logo has sustainability and a lifecycle value that reinforces your commitment to quality over time. It quietly influences trust, credibility, and ultimately your business's growth. So, the next time you think about your logo, ask yourself, is it just a flat graphic, or is it an engineered statement? In a world where everyone is fighting for attention online, the real power might just be in creating a physical, tangible presence. Branding is no longer flat. It's time to build a brand that people can literally feel. If your company wants to be seen as innovative, reliable, and future-ready, it's time to think beyond the printed page. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, subscribe for more insights on industrial design, branding, and the future of technology. And let me know in the comments, would a CNC logo change how people see your brand? See you in the next one.